So that is it. Now, because of that, I can give you one question. So exercise. You do as
Yes,
we.
give them.
Yes. So let me draw this question on the here so that you attempt. Yes.
I think you can give them some 2 minutes so that they copy if they have not copied.
Yeah, whoever has not copied, you talk, eh? Let's not move fast, eh? Yeah, copy that.
Because
Can we move forward? Anyone still writing, please? The one who is writing can say, give me time. If you silence me, I move forward.
Yes, move on now.
Okay. So let's go to the question I wanted to give out here. So this is the question that we have. And they are telling you to so you have that. That is our circle. Then I draw the line that is coming from here. Somewhere there. Then I also draw another one that is coming from here. Oh, sorry, I did not select. Yes, something like that. So you have this is A, this is T, this is C, and this is B. So you are given that BC, this is 5 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters. So find AT. Yeah, go ahead, find AT.
So is it 6?
This is 5. Okay, this is 5 centimeters. It's not 6.
The answer.
Or you are saying the answer. Are you telling me the answer?
Yeah.
You are saying the answer is 6, eh? Who is that?
Pooja.
Okay.
A minute,
Let's
a minute.
wait for the rest.
Cross check.
Yeah, we can wait for others to counter our answer.
Check.
What she has gotten. Anyone with a or the same answer, you can say yours or a contrary.
Aditya, what's your answer? Ashi, Ibrahim.
I got 6.
6. Yes, that's it. Who has got a different answer?
Okay. So I think we can summarize quickly. We say that AT with a tangent, you take the whole of this, which is BT, times CT. And no, AT squared rather. Now we don't have AT, so you can retain like that. AT squared equals to, the whole of this length is 9 multiplied by the one outside is 4, which is going to be 36. So AT squared equals to 36. So how do you get AT alone? You square root both sides. So finally, our AT equals to 6 centimeters. And that is the answer. That is the answer. Arshi, are we together?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. One more, but this one is tricky a little bit. Requires you to think. It's not even thinking, it's just easy. So exercise question 2. You have, let me take first of all that one. You have a circle, you draw it there. And then you have the line. The line is coming like this from here. And then you also have another line coming from here. Good. That's what we have. This is A, this is B, and this is T. Then after that, this is a P here. Now this is 6. From here to here, this is P plus 1. And then here alone is P. Yes, find the value of P. Try that.
If you get your answer, you tell us.
Yeah. I expect you guys should be finishing. Then Mr. Boniface, after they have gotten their answers, you will lead us through.
So is it 4?
Yeah, just say your
4.
answer. Of course, we are waiting. Who is that? You said your P is what?
4. Hashi.
Okay, let me wait for another person, someone else. A contrary answer. You may not be right. So let not others think that your answer is right.
Let us give the others few minutes.
A maximum of 1 minute, please. 1 minute is enough.
So I got 11.
You got 11.
You got 4.
And I expect your numbers to be smaller than 6. You see, if you are getting a very big number here and you see this one, definitely we might not be right. At least the value of P must be less than 6. If you are getting something more than that, we need to revisit. Okay, I think Mr. Boniface, let's go through.
Yes, we can go through, Mr. Solomon.
Yes.
Now, what we need to do first of all, we need to look at the tangent and we need to identify the chord. Identify the tangent, identify the chord so that we can apply the rule we stated earlier. Now, the tangent is PT. The tangent is the one above their PT. So now we can say PT equals to the chord is AT. Yes.
So go ahead. Go ahead.
AT, the chord is AT times the part of the chord that lies outside, BT. That is the first thing that you have to do. Identify the 3 things. First of all, the tangent. Then square tangent equals to AT, the whole chord. The chord is A to T times the part of that chord that lies outside the circle, which is BT. And therefore, before we do anything, Mr. Solomon,
yes,
we can work out outside there AT, the whole chord. AT, we can work out AT. AT equals to AB plus BT. AT equals to AB plus BT, which is P plus P plus 1. I've said the whole chord equals to AB plus BT. AP is P, BT is P. So Archie, where are you? The whole chord will be 2P plus 1. So that one we know, 2P plus 1. Now, let us substitute everything now, Mr. Solomon. PT is 6. So that will be 6 squared equals to the old chord we got 2P plus 1. 2P plus 1 close bracket times BT, which is P plus 1, which is P plus 1. Now, this side of PT, 6 squared is 36. And then we need to open the bracket, 2P, long process, 2P into bracket P plus 1, and then 1, P plus 1. That is quadratic expansion. So 2P times P is 2P squared 2p times p is 2p squared. 2p times 1 is 2p. Then plus p, 1 times p is p. 1 times 1 is 1. P plus 1, that is. So we can collect the like terms. We have 2p plus p. We have 2p plus p in between there. So we have 2p squared plus 3p plus 1. The like terms on the right, we have 2p and p, so we have to group those one together. So we have that 6 equals to 2p squared plus 3p plus 1. We are not done. We have to cross that 6 on the other side so that we get a quadratic expression because of that square there. So 0, let us cross that 6 on the other side. 0 will be left with 0 equals to 2p squared plus 3p plus 1 minus 36. We are moving stepwise so that you can see each and every step there. So we have 0 equals to 2p squared plus 3p plus 1 minus 36, you get negative 35. I always tell students, when you get such a kind of equation, sometimes it is tedious to work with product and sum when you don't know whether it will have decimal values. So the best, I always advise students to use quadratic formula where A is 2, B is 3, C is negative 35. And in every exam, that is the final, mostly the finals, you are given the formula sheet and the quadratic expression has to be there. X equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. That formula is always there in the formula sheet, so you don't have to bother yourself a lot. So now it is a matter of substitution. Negative b, so negative 3 plus or minus 3 squared. We are replacing every value there. Negative 3 plus or minus 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 35. 4 times 2 times negative 35. So, Mr. Solomon, there 3 squared inside the bracket. 3 squared is 9.
Yes.
9 minus 280. So all over 2 times 2, because A is 2.
So 2 times 2 is 4.
Yes. Yes.
Continue.
So up there we have 9 minus 280, you get 289, square root of 289. And square root of 289 is what?
Yeah, what's the square root of 289? Class?
17.
17.
Yes,
Okay,
17.
let's move
so
on.
negative 3 plus or minus 17. Negative 3 plus or minus 17.
Over 4.
All over 4. So let us pick the one that is positive first. Negative 3 plus 17 over 4. Negative 3 plus 17 all over 4, or negative 3 minus 17 all over 4. You get two values. X will be negative 5 or 3.5. That's what I got. So our
Okay,
interest
so
is the
negative
positive
3.
value.
Yes?
Yes. The value of X is negative. That is, X is 3.5 or negative 5.
Yeah, correct.
But our interest is the positive value.
Yeah, we are dealing with measurements.
Yes, sure. That is the point. So our value of X will be 3.5. But now, since we are not dealing with x, it was p. We shall say p equals to 3.5, Mr. Solomon. I think the formula is always in terms of x, but the question was in terms of p. So that's
Yes.
okay.
So I think we've done, yeah. That person who did, who got 4, I don't know how you got 4. But actually you are getting, I think you are doing trial. He was doing trial and error method.
Maybe he rounded off 3.5. He said it is 4. You are not supposed to round up.
No, he did some trial because you see when P is 4 and
Yes.
this is 5, when
yes.
Actually no, it was not working. Yeah, it's not working. Yeah, it's not working.
It's not working because that's, you see, 9 times 5. 9 times 5 is not that 6.
Yeah, it's wrong. Good. So I think you have understood that. Now we want to look at some questions. Let me go now to the website. You do as we. Yes.
I think there was somebody who had I don't know whether it is a comment or what.
A student.
Ashi, are you the one?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and tell us.
Tell us.
Go ahead.
I tell you what?
Come again, Ashi.
So what do you want me to explain?
Mr. Solomon?
Yes.
I think Ashi asking what?
Just say again, because you broke it the last time.
I did what?
You're breaking at the wrong time. So when you're saying, can you please, and then I don't hear anything else.
You are the one who's not getting
what is happening, Mr. Solomon?
Yes.
I think it is network issue. You can go again. You can go again through the question. I think it's network issue.
But the boy was not did not get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's distortion of the sound because of network issue.
Okay, so from where? From which part, please, quickly, so that we move very fast.
You can start from afresh.
Okay, so we say it like this. We say that if you are solving this question, you look at the tangent. And we said our tangent is PT. So we said PT squared. You can see it's here. PT squared equals to AT times BT. Good. So we need to get the whole of this length from A to T. How do you get that? You take this one plus the whole of this. That's why we have this. AT is AB plus BT. So take P plus 1. So you get 2P plus 1. So the whole of this length is 2P plus 1. Then the one outside is P plus 1. So we go back to our rule, which is this one here. PT squared equals to AT times BT. So what do you do? The tangent was 6, so 6 squared equals to, take AT, which is this one, times that. Then we open the brackets here. Yeah, open the brackets. So you expand this one, you will get this. After that, sorry, let me connect my power a little bit. So after that, you now have 2P squared plus 3P plus 1 equals 36. And then take all of them to the right. So this 36, when you take to the right, becomes a minus. So you have 0 equals to 2P squared plus 3P plus 1 minus 36. So if you do that, you will get 0 equals to 2P squared plus 3P minus 35. So this is your quadratic equation. So the moment you have that, the only thing that is remaining for you is to use quadratic formula. Because most learners experience challenges in identifying factors, product, sum. So it is quick to use quadratic formula straight away. So in this expression, your A is 2, your B is 3, and your C is negative 35. So if you replace inside there, it's just a matter of replacing. You will end up getting the values of P, two values of P. You will get P is 3.5 or negative 5. But remember that we are dealing with measurement. We don't expect you to get a negative value. We cannot say that you scored negative 20%, negative 20 marks. No. We are dealing with positive values. So we ignore 3.5. No, ignore negative 5. Then you take 3.5. That is our real value of P as far as measurement is concerned. So we now take our P is that. And that is our answer. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay. Now I want to give you some questions, random questions, just to test on what
Sir.
we have done. Yes.
Sir, can you repeat
Yes.
one more?
Which one? From where?
You repeat another one, like another question.
I repeat another question.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me try. I'm going to do that, please. So I will do this. I will change my tactic. Let me draw it. Let me take a circle there like that. Then after that, I draw a chord like this. Yes, then I also take the line. No. I take the line. Here, I put it there. Yes, good. Now, I want to let that this is P. And this is P plus 1. These are different. Don't say they are the same. They are different. I know you will say the teacher is repeating the same thing. It is not the same. Our question is that one. Now I've tried to interchange. So to have my question. So these are different questions. So this one just remains as 6. So I can say this is, let me use the same values, the same length. That is PT. This is P and this is T. And then after that, you have this is A and this is B. Good. Now, we want to go stepwise with you so that you don't get lost. So you identify your tangent. You can see that PT is a tangent. So we always say PT squared equals to, take the whole of this line, which is AT, multiply by the one outside, which is BT. Yes, tangent squared equals to the whole of this line times the one outside. Now, what is PT? I have 6. So 6 squared equals to, what is the distance from A to T? You add P plus 1 plus P. So you get 2P plus 1. Then I put it here. So 2P plus 1. Then I multiply with the one outside, which is a what? A P. Are we there? The one was coming up with this. Are you following?
Yes.
Good. So 6 squared, this is 35, equals to, you multiply, open the brackets, you open the brackets, open brackets. So if you open here, you get
Excuse
2p
me, sir.
squared. Yes.
6 squared should be 36.
Oh, okay. You know, my brain is moving very fast. So 6 squared is 36. Good. Now, we want to rearrange in a manner the way quadratic equation looks like. So I can take this to the right. So I'll have 0 equals to 2p squared plus p minus 36. Yes, like that. Now here we were told very well, let's use a quadratic formula. You know that x equals to minus p plus minus b squared minus 4ac square root, like that. All this all over. Oh, sorry, there's some changes I need to make. No, but it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. So all over 2a. So let me continue. So my x, but now here I don't have x, so I'll be talking about p. So my p equals to -1 plus minus p squared, which is 1 squared minus 4 times a, which is 2 times -36, like that. Yeah, something like that. All this all over 2 times 2. Work out what is inside. So p equals to -1. Yeah, someone to work out what is inside? Good. So you get 289. So this is 289. Then you square root, like that. All this out of 4. Let's continue. Square root of 289 is 17. So p equals to -1 plus minus 17 all over 4. You can take it as positive, -1 plus 17 out of 4. That is 16 divided by 4, you get 4. You can also take a negative, -1 minus 17 all over 4. This is -18 divided by 2, you get -4.5. But what did we say? We are dealing with measurement. So we cannot take a negative, we take a positive. So finally, our p equals to 4. Yes, I don't know whether we are talking. Yes, are we together?
Yes.
Good. So if I give one question, are you able to do it? I want to give a similar one like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Boniface, are you around? Okay, let's continue. Let me draw.
I'm much around.
Yes?
I'm much around. You draw.
Okay. Okay. So let me draw the question. Then I take the line like that. Good. So this is P, T, A, B. Now, this is P, and this is P plus 7, and then this is 12. Yeah, try that. Find the value of P. Yeah, and you ensure you are very accurate. That question requires keenness, opening brackets like that, collecting, then using the quadratic formula. Yes, anyone who has finished? If not, just continue, take your time. This is not a question that you can rush, but it's also very easy also. Yeah, 1 minute, 1 extra minute so that we finish because of time. Yeah, Sunny, are you through or not yet?
Not yet, not yet. I'm doing it.
Okay. Aman? Okay.
Sir, I'm through.
Yeah, who is that?
Hiranshi.
Okay. Give me your answer.
I got 6.9.
6.9. No. I know you must have messed up somewhere. You could be right. I think you are right. Okay, quickly. I think this one is not going to give you an exact number. From observation, from the way I am seeing. But quickly, let's go through it. This is 12 equals to the whole of this. The whole of this line is 2p plus, the whole of it is 2p plus 7. Then you multiply by p. This is a squared. Yeah, the whole of it is 2p plus 7 times p. Then you have 144 equals to 2p squared plus 7p. Then finally, 2p squared plus 7p minus 144 equals to 0. Quadratic formula, p equals to minus 7 plus minus. Yes, hello. Hello. Hebu 1 minute, dakika moja na kupigia. So this one here, you say 7 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 144. And then of course there's a square root here. All this all over 2 times 2. So finally you have negative 7 plus minus. Let's work out what is inside. 7 squared. 7 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 144 times negative 144. Yeah, 12,001 square root of answer. Oh, it's giving us a decimal. So this is 34. When you square it, you get 34.6 all over 4. Now, a minus will give you a negative. So let me take the positive one. Negative 7 plus 34.6 all over 4. So minus 7, then divided by 4. Yes, I think you got it right. 6.9. Yeah, something like that. So that was right. Shiranshi, that was good for you. Now, I think we will wind up unless the teacher wants to say something. Mr. Musyoki?
Yes, I have nothing to add, only that let these guys continue revising on these things, because if you keep them away, you will easily forget all those rules. Right away from the way we learn the internal intersection, the external intersection of the chord, and the tangent and the chord. Remember those rules. Together with the previous rules, we had learned about angles in a circle, cyclic, quadrilateral, angles at the circumference subtended by the angle at the center, all those rules. They are important. Keep on revising so that they stick in your brain. Thank you.
Okay, fine. So let me also, we can stop there, and you can be free. You can leave at your own time to the next class.
Let them check assignment later.
Yeah, I'll be able to post. By the way, today I'm going to post a